All right, let's take a look at number 30, x to the negative fourth power over x to the negative ninth power. So we know from properties of exponents that when we have a negative power, one way to handle that is we can really rewrite them with positive exponents. How do we do that? I'm going to put that x to the negative fourth power down into my denominator, and it will be x to the 4. And that x to the negative ninth power, move that up to the top, and now it's x to the 9. From this step, what we want to do is simplify x to the 9 over x to the 4. Remember, I don't think maybe I have done one or two the long way already, but x to the ninth power means x times x times x, keep going until we have 9 x's being multiplied, and x to the fourth power is x times itself, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we reduce. We can look at this as x over x. This is equivalent to 4 of these, right? Line them up. And then what's left over is this random x to the fifth, perhaps over 1. That's 1, 1, 1, and 1. Final answer, x to the fifth. So not much to it there. Pretty simple. We could use a different approach. We can use something even such as x to the negative 4 minus negative 9, so this is just another option here. I went from that to this to that. And my other approach here, x to the negative 4 then plus 9. That's not a 9. I started doing the math, sorry. And x to then the fifth. That's fine. Is that cleaner, neater? Of course. Would I do this way or this way? Well, kind of neither. I would really go from here and then reduce and right away get then x to the fifth and be done with it. So you choose, but I like to avoid things like this for students who make careless errors when they're put on the spot and mess up things with their positives and negatives. So that was number 30. To see 31, click the box on the screen. To jump to the playlist, click on that. And hope you're doing okay on these examples. And if you are making mistakes, I hope you're understanding what you did wrong and that you don't make those mistakes again in the future. Adios.